again with another healthy quickie. So today we're gonna be doing some grilled tilapia and some mac and cheese, some asparagus, some crushed Parmesan tilapia. I gotta show you how to exactly do that. I don't know if I'm saying the title correct. But anyways, let's get this party started. All right, so I got my tilapia here. All right, and what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of olive oil to it. All right, so you're gonna add some olive oil. Give it a nice spin around. Make sure every piece got it on some olive oil on it. All right, so now it's shiny. It don't look dry no more. Okay, so now you're gonna take some garlic powder, and you're just gonna use a little bit of everything, you know, to your likings. So a little bit of garlic powder, and then I use, let me see if I'm doing this right, because see, I'm my own producer. Okay. I like Kinder's seafood blend, so a little bit of that. Make sure I got this part. So a little bit of that on that side. A little bit of this. And this is kind of spicy, so, you know, again, to your liking. And if you want some Old Bay seasoning, just a little bit. A little bit right there. That right there. All right. And some Kinder. Let's see here, the blend. Got salt, pepper, and garlic. And I like kind of like a whole lot of that. Some onion powder. All right. And just give it all a swirl. You know, one thing when you put it on the grill, I don't want too much seasoning in it because it'll, you know, I don't want to be too salty. So, just give it a spin around. Give it a good spin around. And so that's how it's gonna look. Nice and seasoned. All right. And I'll be right back with the rest. Oh yeah, no, here to the side, I have the Italian flat parsley and a little bit of cilantro. Now that's what's gonna go on our fish when we put that in the oven. So a little bit of cilantro and Italian flat parsley. All right. All right, so in here I have the chopped up parsley and a little cilantro and Parmesan cheese. All right. So what you'll do is take a piece of fish, mix it all in with it. Mix it all in there. Add your toppings on it, or, you know, like, make sure you coat it even when you place it on your baking pan. I'll show you that. All right, you guys, so this is how it looks. So that is Parmesan, the Italian parsley mixed with cilantro and Parmesan cheese on your seasoned tilapia. And I got some asparagus. I know y'all were like, oh, that's a whole bunch of asparagus, but yeah, I'm gonna have some for tomorrow too, and I ain't want them to go bad, I guess. So I'm just gonna make them all up. Because they've been sitting at least for 2 days now. Okay, so I'll be back with you guys and show y'all the rest. Okay, so you guys, I am back. This is how it looks. Yes, yummy. Parmesan crusted herbal goodness. All right, you guys, so I'm about to start grilling it up. I got them both on there. Had to whip that George Foreman back out. Now, it may stick a little bit, so don't be coming at me with, why you ain't play it up so good? Why it don't look like that when you play it up? So, this thing's talking about non-stick. I gotta keep on spraying, y'all. Keep on spraying. But yeah, it may not be quite non-stick or whatever when I get ready to play it up, but this is how it looked before before I let that top down. All right, let's put that top down. Bam! All right. Look at this, y'all. 5 minutes, quick and easy. Yes. Okay, so I'll be back with y'all to play all this up. All right. All right, you guys. Here it is, all plated up. And what I forgot to tell you guys, on the side, I made some butter sauce because when you grill it, it may be, not as juicy. So what I do is make a little butter sauce and pour it on that tilapia. Fresh from the grill. All right, so that's how it looks. Until next time. Peace and love.